What's up, traders? This is Masood Khalid from London. I will have a look at the result of the last week market analysis that I had shared with you. The week that started 31st of July to 4th of August 2023. Because looking at the result of the market analysis that I share with you is very important so that you can see that how accurate was the analysis, and if you hadn't taken benefit from it, you can see that where you had made mistakes, and what could have you done better. So I shared eight pairs with you last week and presented my analysis on them. The first one was USDCHF. The first one was USDCHF. The analysis was on a daily time frame, and the market was here before the start of the last week, and I had told you that if market breaks the high of the body of this candle, it could keep on going up. And let's see. I mean, even if you take a trade from the break of the high of this previous candle, let's see how many pips that a pair went up. So nearly 96 pips that a pair went up before it came down for a pullback or a retest. So a lot of pips were available on in this pair, and if you are new to the in this channel, you have to see the previous videos how to catch the trades, and what is break and retest. All these videos are available in Urdu basically, but market analysis from and the result of the analysis I will share in English for a wider community. How to trade, how to take the trade on pullback, how to see the confirmations, I have explained many times in my videos previously. uh, Next pair was USDCAD. Next pair was USDCAD, and the time frame was daily. Again, the market was uh, closed in previous week on this candle, and my analysis was that it could continue going up. So this next daily candle went down, but then it broke up this level again, and it continued going up. And if you from even from this point onwards, if you see how many pips it went up, and you can see that 141 pips this pair traveled into the direction that I predicted. So huge pips were available in this pair as well. Next pair was that I shared was NZDCAD. NZDCAD that was on oh sorry, NZDUSD. NZDUSD. I presented my analysis on a 4-hour time frame, and my analysis was that it has broken down this support level here, and it is trying to do a retest, and it will continue going down. So straight away the next candle went up, so the sell analysis, sell biased, became invalid unless you do, I mean, unless you did a buy analysis yourself later on. That is a completely different thing. But as soon as this straight away this candle went up, my sell analysis became invalid here. So no trades towards the sell were available. It went up and broke this level again downwards. Take a took a retest, and then continued went down. So Even if you know take it from here, it went down around 75 to 76 pips down. So I mean it straight away went up. My sell biased became invalid, but then it broke down. The sell biased came into action again, did the retest, and then it continued going down as I predicted. So a lot of pips were available in this trade as well if you were able to manage this trade in a different way. Next pair was NZDJPY. NZDJPY, the analysis was on a daily time frame. So again, the in the previous week the market was closed on this candle, and my analysis was that this can retest this level and continue going down, but straight away it broke up, and it went up, so the analysis became invalid. There was no trade available, hence there was no chance of a losing trade. And then it came down and it broke down again, but there was according to what I have taught you in my previous videos, there was no trade available in this pair. Next pair was GBP USD. That was on a 4 hour time frame. So what I predicted was that let me go back on a daily time frame. This pair was on it closed on this candle in a previous week, and then my prediction was that it can continue going down, had a retest and continue going down. And I think I did that on a 4 hour time frame. So it according to my prediction, it did went down, even if this is the momentum bearish candle. If you had taken this trade on this after this candle, it still went down around 140 pips, and after that it went up. So another very good analysis, and a lot of pips were available on this pair as well. Next pair was GBPCHF. The time frame was daily time frame. So my analysis was that the last time it was on this in a previous week, it closed on this candle, and my analysis was that it will do a retest and continue going up, which it did before it went down. So on a smaller time frame, you could have caught this somewhere around here, and if you can see, this pair went up around 60 pips up before it, started going down. So another good analysis, and a lot of pips were available on this pair as well. Then the next pair was Euro USD. It was on 4 hour time frame. In a previous week, it was somewhere around here, and my prediction was that it will retest this area and go down, and it did exactly that. Even you take it from here, it went down around 92 pips before it went up, and it's on this level again. So a lot of pips were available on this pair as well according to my prediction. And then the last pair was AUDCHF, daily time frame. It did the same thing as another pair that I discussed before. It was on here previous week, and then for the last week I said that it could retest and continue going down. The next candle shot up again, upwards. There was the sell biased became invalid, but then it next day it shot back down again, and then it continued you know downwards. And if you take it from here, it went down around 79-80 pips. So all in all, traders, it was a great analysis for last week. So a couple of pairs, one pair I think became invalid, but all the other pairs, went to the direction that I predicted. So I hope that you must have taken benefit from my analysis, and I'll try to make a video on next week's analysis as well later on today. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the live trading and scalping that in pre-London and London session I do every day, Monday to Friday. That is going successful as well. So I'll see you in those sessions as well. Telegram group link will be in the description for all the updates about the live sessions, etc. You can join the group as well. Until next video, traders, look after yourselves.